First of all, I have to thank the donors in Sweden, that is our board members.
Chigambas, I know this is usual. Chigambas is always looking at our own children. And
wherever you are watching us right now. This is my TV Gambia on all the platforms wherever you are watching us. We are right here today at Chigambas field office to show you this rice and oils that the donors have helped Chigambas children due to the flood that have caused a lot of damages in homes and businesses. Kombade on nga fale nyameng bimbale Chigambas le kaitanda lako Chigambas sponsor wala tubabol mi yalon ko ibe Chigambas mako ikanga nindindol ye mako idindul mako mina mon mi yalon ko jodunte la kordal kono ila dumulo ni business ol beti nyata coming no mone hali wanne no be mendare me salmini on ka on mendare kala wattu adenti golo hande mede Chigambas hollugol on wondema ballal ko ari sengo battane o wame ko wadi ko andanta bonni cuudi buy nyameteji kanyum e business ji. We are right in front of us here today. We have the manager of Chigambas, Mr. Bunama Kulubali. Welcome, sir, to the platform. What do you have to say to the donors and people watching us live on my TV Gambia today concerning this disaster that happened, the flood, and what do you have to tell the donors for helping these people that are vulnerable?
Yeah, thank you very much, Lama. As you rightly mentioned,
okay,
some of our students, Chigambas family, they were affected by the flood. As you know, a child cannot go to school with an empty stomach.
Sure.
So when we were informed, and then some of our students were affected, so we feel that a child cannot go to school without food. So therefore, we deem it necessary to raise funds in Sweden and then give a helping hand to the families. So first of all, I have to thank the donors in Sweden, that is our board members, for the goodwill gesture, because we were able to raise funds through the board members in Sweden. And then we have to thank all the other philanthropists also who have contributed towards these gifts. So therefore, I am also urging other NGOs and other charitable organizations to emulate the same thing so that they can also give these people support, because they are in need. Most of them, their clothes are destroyed by the flood. Their They have problem with their shelter. They have problem with bed. They have problem with feeding. Most of their food is destroyed by the flood. So therefore, these people are in need. So I'm appealing to all other NGOs so that they can also give them a helping hand, just like what Chigambas is doing today. And this is something that we have been doing many years. When there was this fire disaster, so we were able to give at least about 500 bags of rice or 800 bags of rice to the people who were affected. So this is something that we have been doing. So I thank you very much. Yeah.
So what do you have to say to the beneficiaries as well? Because they have been given this rice and oil so that they can help their family. What do you have to tell them?
Yeah, all I have to tell the beneficiaries, they have to make best use of the food. It is meant for the children and their families. So therefore, I'm advising them not to sell it, but they can use it with the family so that the children can benefit from the gift. Yeah.
Quickly, coming up, Nyameng, Malijang, Chigambas la nyaton ko ti mimbe ale sering ale basi Mr. Bunama Kulbali uncle me nyin kala mina wolem yemune soto ka fu moli mi alon ko be mol jibe kan andon fanan yemune soto ka fu mol mi alon ko e ma ko roke nyi mano ni tulo ka mol mi alon ko jodunte la bun kono ay man to roke je yemune soto ka fu
comme ngamen soto dron ngamen fo angale kanto simuru no kan ko teke comme yalon komanto dunia be yakala mutale ka fo ko madina kaba kam tinyaro keta je bake anim base layout because jodunta mol la bungol kono woto kamala ndol fanan bayin ka makoro li dinniwol mel yalon ko el alfal me bulo me ko ben ka wolle makoy birin tinyaro keta ndol fanan nataje ko ni mukkulete me yalon ko manyana sila nyanta wulilal pour nga makoro di dinniwol la kadu dinniwol dano karamu to konko ba dinniwol dano karamu to amandum fen soto so wala nan ndol fanan wulta katabake nga kiliro ken na board la membe Sweden wolom yane weekmans anala board members sol pour kaji ko ye makoy ro nyinin pour fonsi nyin dimbal makoy no nyame balwola anin dum fen wala karola katu bi mbe ko do di la dolla jamel alon ko be dum fen wala san dol bi je wol ye balwo damal nyinin ka par dol bi je wol hani dum fen yo nyinin kale so wala atinna dol fana wulta katabake kanyil makoy bari mbe enji wol dol fana danila dol fana sa kata ye wakili nga menketen bi ci kambay menketen bi tol fanan sa ñonke men siata ñindi fa ko ñil mum molleti mi lalan koy mako ro ñinin kale dol la bungole problème o soto dol la larangol dol la dondikol dol la bungol fon beleti ñata domorol beti ñata bunkono woton mollo mel yalan koy mako ro ñinin ka woton be dunia bele danila dunia be momo si ñi madina ka baka mankol ani le on pol mako no du kare funtina mbay ye mako nga ñine sodon simen fono moli
ay ko non tigi woni musibbe mo be men darde ha joni dari do yeso men do ko woni horejo Chigambas basi Mr. Bunama Kulbali oncle kon hebudon ko yewton yimbe be andanta be wallitike yimbe be andanta wame on naati ka cuudi mabbe bonni nyameteji mabbe cionci mabbe hande ngal ballal ari do kon hebudon ko yewton be wallube e kadi yimbe be andanta hebe hendare ngal ballal do
fayda lama ko hunde wotere ndeng fayda aduna on fotini minata Gambia tan sabuna hande kala ko wadi 49 en fo en andi musibbe men mombe madina kaba kama base layout be hebi ko anduda no yurmini because ndiyan dan wame on ari nati ka cuudi mabbe bonni nyamete mabbe bonni cionci mabbe bonni balde bonni cuudi so menen Chikamba gila men tini baye menen jogi don sukabe men dari men tawi sukabe wawata yaade school be ala ko be nyama be ala ko be borno ko do wadi menen kadi men wadi hito musibbe amen wonbe Sweden ben ko dum woni board members din pour kambe kadi be dabba mbudi no men wallitoro be do sukabe amen be wawa yaade school bolondaji din ton famille mabbe on pour be heba ko be nyama be heba ko be borno be ha school hande non men okkiray do maro men okkiray do nebban hay sukar men okkiray kono wobbe kadi heba kalis pour be habe sodo ya cunci pour sukabe no wawa hebire no be yara ka school joni mi do tori aduna on fop kala mo anduda andari o video ma agentike ka hala ara meden tori on gila NGO ji gila charitable organization ji goddi no Chikamba wadiri ni kambe kadi yobe yaltu be wada ko buri dum sabona be ka woni hande ko ballal be tori ndiyan dam bonnibe bonni cuudi mabbe din fop so haray be tori ballal dow inde mabbe min kadi mi tori ballal pour no wawen wallirde be do ko dum mi hebi ko mi halna jama on aduna on fop
thank you
ko adi de yetta Bunama Kulbali moƴƴa sabu kaw nanno ɗum o waalaki o jooɗaki o immi fiimu o yehi o ndaari o tawi sukaaɓe Chigambas ɓen ndiyam ɗam ɓittiniɓe awa o dari e fiimu noon kadi ko hikkiti ɗon miɗo jaara booɗon miɗo jaara yaane sabu sa yi ɗum fof no waɗa ballal no heɓo ko yaane jooɗani men toon ɗum noon ndiyam ɗam ari ittini men radi men e galleji amen enen e sukaaɓen fof bonni men piiji ɗin fof bunama noon ka nanno ɗum ɗon o jooɗaki ay o immini ko yata ya ndaaroya ɓe ndaari ɓe tawi eyi ko noon woniri ha min yalti e galleji ɗi mi yehi min fattoyi min fatti e galleji tawi andi mo yalti ka mum tan andi ka goɗɗo wela eyi aray meɗen jaara Chigambas yoɓe ɓeydu wakkilare nde ɓe wakkili kono yoɓe ɓeydan min wakkilare nden sabu min tampi eyi ko ɓe addi ɗo kon min weltike fota sabu ɗum ɗo ari min mankorama ɗum ɗo kadi ko ɓe addi ɗo kon min mankoranoma ɗum ɗo ñamete fof bonni ɗum ɗo ɓayri ari min heeɓi ka min nanga eyi ɓe addani sukaɓen coñci ñamete ɗon min weltike yo Allah nawru school ɗon yeeso eyi jarama
ko Mariam Bente
konto joni ɗon
Basse Kaba Kamma
ye fami wondema battane wami arde on naati ko galleji mum e bonni ton bagageji ɗi ñameteji hande ɗo nodditaɗo Chigambas ko woni ko hawre ndin men hande
alhamdulillah rabbil alamin ko idi kon fo taw mi salmina oɗo tica bunama miɗo salminamo fota miɗo jaramo sabu naade si a yi ɗum ɗo yalti ko moƴƴere makko si o moƴƴano si mi arino ɗo mi wullitinoke o innanola rek yomi yaw o ndaara e feere kono gilin mi ari ɗo ko ɗon kisan o ƴetti step e muɗum o wi fado mi neldato mi daɓɓana on onon kadi ballal sabu naati onon ni onon hiɗo yurmi o fewndo ha pari ɗon jogii sukaaɓe amen kadi miɗo yettamo fota wona seeɗa ko ɓe waɗi ɗo ko yo Allah lando ɓeydu ko ƴetteteɗo yo Allah accu ɗumen ha ɓooya juuta ko ɓe faala e juuɗe amin kon kadi yo Allah newnu ɓe heɓa anniyeji maɓɓe ɗi timma miɗo welti fota wona seeɗa minen gilin min yalti no ara heɓude 3 weeks sukaaɓe amen coñci maɓɓe boni ñamete fu boni hay komin wona dal wona noon min heɓiri muɗum komin wona komin yaaɓe yaade meɗen fattini andi no fattinagol ɗum no satti feere eyi ko yiɗɗa ko wona ɗum heɓata kono noon Allah ko moƴƴo Allah ko hoddiri fo on tigi on ko ɗum ɗon kono bonande dal waɗi eyi ɓeɗo no waɗiri ni so tawi woɓɓe kadi heeɓi laawol yo Allah lan ɗon newnanɓe kamɓe kadi no ɓe wallirami sabu naati bonande hewnde waɗi bonande si waɗi ko Allah andi ko lontinta eyi miɗo yettaɓe moƴƴa miɗo jaara
comme non haɗa ɗon mari sukaɓe yahoɓe school ɗon mari sukaɓe yahoɓe school
eyi miɗo jogii sukaaɓe yahoɓe school eyi miɗo jogii sukaaɓe yahoɓe school eyi bagasiji maɓɓe fof boni wona uniforme wona paɗeji maɓɓe wona bagji fof boni sabu naati min ndiyam ɗam ko jemma ɗam naatiranila eyi ko jemma ɗam naati andi noon si ndiyam bettima a andata ko honɗum waɗata eyi bonande nden ɗuuɗi hay suudu wonnondu ko ɓaawo suudandu kadi yani beyam fof dal mi yiyani eyi kono Allah ko moƴƴo eyi Allah ko moƴƴo ara meɗen tori ballal eyi mi jarama
ogol naata
Omar Cham
Umar Cham fode ka
Madina Kaba Kaba
tey ni fi Chigambas Manipula si office bi lan moo leen tey
li ñuy fi tey mooy flotte bi jógee si géej bi jël suñ kër yi moo ñu tey am nañ xale yu jàng ñu ooñu fi ñu ñëw pour ñu ne am ndimbal bu ñoo joxe bi ko saw ndox mi jël na suñ kër yi yàq na suñ bagage yi macha allah moo tax ñu ñëw fii tey incha allah.
so léegi lan ngeen mën a wax ci Chigambas ñi nga xam ne ñoo leen dimbale maara yu
alhamdulilah ñu ngi sant waa Chigambas surtout Bounama Coulibaly moom mi nga xam ne moo woote ñëw fii ak ñi nga xam ne ñoo sabab mbir mi pour ñu wooñu fi mën ñoo jox dund ñu ngi leen a sant bu baax macha allah jërëjëf ñu sant bu baax alhamdulilah.
ok so léegi depuis ndox bi dugg seen kër da ngeen am place fu ngeen si
waaw di fi ndox bi dugg ci kër gi suñu toll nii dañ génne xale yi nga xam ne dañoo jàng school ñoom ñu utal leen foo xam ne parce que ñu pour ñuy génn di dem di ñëw dafay xaw a métti ci ñoom ñun nag ndox bi lu mu bëri dañoo xuus dem xuus génnaat noonu lañ dëkkee ak ndox bi am na ñoo xam ne nag génn ut feneen fuñ nekk waaye man bàyyi dis time biir ndox bi laa nekk su ma xëyee xuus dem ci ndox bi su ma demee suma place liggéey ba ngoon su ma damay xuus ci biir ndox foofu lay fanaan yàlla def na biir néeg bi commencé na am ndox rek waaye teewul maa mën a fanaan foofu alhamdulilah.
soo kontaan nga bu baax.
sant yàlla bu baax alhamdulilah kontaan nañ alhamdulilah.
My name is Rose Bande.
Rose Bande.
Yes.
Commonly known as Auntie Rose.
Rose, yes.
Thank you so much. We are here today at the office. As we can see, people have been donating rices and oil, and some of them have been given clothes, money to buy clothes. What do you have to say to the donors and the beneficiaries as well?
Okay, Lama. Today have been a day again for Chigambas. I know this is usual. Chigambas is always looking at our own children and looking at the region. I think Chigambas need to be commemorated for that. Because, always when we have problems or programs, they will look into the strength of it and they will like to come in and help. I think this is the day that they have proved that they have given a help. Though it is small, it's not that much, but I think the beneficiaries, they have appreciated it and they are really happy about it. And we working at the office also, we are very happy because this would have been kept quiet. But as far as our manager is somebody who always want to help, he is ready to help at any time. He talked to the donors where they also responded positively, which we also commend them for that. We really appreciate of what they are doing. Even if you look at the aspect of Chigambas, really they are doing a great job for the region. Not only Basse people, for the region at large. Because so many things have been happening within Chigambas, but we are not out to show up that this is what we are doing. But people who work closely with us, they know what we can do. And really, it's a day that is a day of joy. We are praying for the donors. Let them continue the good job that they are doing for the poor families. These poor families, they are suffering. Because if you look at flood coming at night, you are sleeping. Anything can happen to the individual and the family. So if they are also giving positive response to the request from the manager, I think this is something that we also need to commemorate. Thank you for the gift, and we are praying for them. We are the weak man and the Swedish people that are standing very firm to help the poor people. Thank you very much. Mele makore ke Italia ke pake. Bal niya jenga makore soto mu asuta dulaletu. Wo mu jomaleti na nyaton ko min bejang. Because wati o wati atulol be yelerinne ala bundal be yelerinne pour kaje ko na dindiwol membentol bulu ila sula kuwol mu menti ila jara hani kuranta jararo anin ku jamal bije asisino nu ayede bari ate manke wo mo sifati wati o wati ala bundal be yelerin pour kaje ko dindiwol membentol koto hani memmantrantol koto ni ata ko deun dalem abe parere pour kalo kama ko roki ni mako ro ni aje anata atele afo melben tol fana nyaato jan tol be do ko la office o kon ban tol ni tuba bolle bulo di nyola ni bunama ma fo tuba bolle ko ni be keri jam wolta lon na hani yalon ite o mira ro sotra ko matu ngata nganyil mako bare ate yaje ko ni mudde won daleti a wulta a ko matu ngata nganyil nyininka fo isi mako ro do mandingo ni mansi aye menke mo do ndeta keno la bari mel yake ala le yalon ko atele jo sayo soto alama ala jo ku kendolla yake ngani o men kan ani misa kurubali ate fana e kato men kije alama ala jo sayo kare ay jata kende ya diala a wakilta a sawata munyo bala abe munyo men nani office oto alama ala yo tenteni nyaato lama ite fana e lota loku tindingole mo bari wakilta bak me be do wala be beneficiarol fana danila e nyimmen dila yaadi dindingol ya domo pour eta karamon e ko do men dila pour ye fanol sang ye wakile fanol sang pour ya je ko dindi wala mun fangal amanke ko pour ye ko do nyinta ya mutale tivo kono yeta ke kudola ya di dindi wala pour ay dondi ko sang ya dindi mano di ala pour dindi moy do moro ay ta kala mod ululal fana e wakile woke wala be sama diya